Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is red color. Now we are using the color of yellow. And the next one is white color. Kids, the next one is green color. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the last one is black color. The color of black. Now we coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star, and now we using the color of kids. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we mixing and using blue color, and first we coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of red. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. The color of red. The next one is square. The shape of square. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. The shape of square. Kids, the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of white. Now we're mixing white color. The color of white. The shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing the color of green. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of green and coloring the shape of circle. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.